trapped in here. He's literally just
Jump down there and do it.
Slither down.
Oh, what the? I'm going to slither down.
Oh. No. No. Duffy, come. Duffy, come. Okay. Duffy. Duffy, come. Duffy, come. Duffy.
Okay. Move the thing around. Put it more deeper in there so he doesn't see it. He's still there.
Okay. trying to.
This is such a smart burger.
Okay, I'm trying to hide him. Bro, he's little, little.
Oh, what? I'm so confused.
Closer. Being so focused on the dog. Okay?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Let's go. We got him out. Okay, now I'm gonna quickly go here. Since he's out.
I'm
No,
watching.
No, I'm watching. Okay. I can watch. Oh my god. What am I doing now? What in the world am I doing? I have to try to hide it. Under here?
He's going for the stick.
Okay, there, it's hidden. The ball is officially hidden.
And you guys, I think he might be coming this way.
Right. Toffee! Okay, I'm gonna get here. Just look here.
I think he might go.
Okay, this is Gordo. And oh my god. Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Where is he?
He's back there.
He's back here.
You got it.
Okay, I'll control. Okay, I'll do it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Oh my god, I'm right behind you. I got the ball. Toffee.
Oh.
Nobody.
Toffee.
Just
close the door.
Toffee. Oh, don't hurt me, Toffee. You're Oh my
He's lying down.
Okay, good. Okay, whatever. Let's just. Alright.
Oh, Duffy scared me again. Oh, he wants to go outside.
Toffee ball.
Ball.
Okay, Toffee doesn't listen.
Let's
He's
go up
looking
close.
at what's
Go
outside.
up close. Oh, go get the orange ball outside.
Okay.
Oh.
Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. Hello.
Duffy.
Do quick reacting a lot of times.
Do quick reacting.
Then he'll.
Duffy. No, do like this. Like that.
Toffee.
Get the ball.
That was so fast.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh my god.
Move slowly. No. No. Do like really small stuff. Yeah. So do now what?
Bro, he's gonna catch you.
No, he's not. He didn't catch him the first time. Oh.
No, he's gonna catch him by.
No. Go and run up here.
He's distracted. Let's go.
Do the same thing back.
Okay.
Just run. Really fast.
Okay.
You go all the way up to
I'm so scared though. I don't want to run.
I'm trying to get the bring the pillow with you in case he tries to.
He's so crazy.
Bring the pillow with you.
Yeah, bring the pillow with you for safety. Mad.